Yesterday we completed. Recording started. Yesterday we completed proportion, right? Acha, ratios. So today we have to do proportion. Wow. Can we? Girls, boys, are we ready? Yes, sir. Great. Please start. Write the heading. Proportion. Okay, we need to complete this today. Proportions. 1 minute before going into that. 1 minute. Yesterday now we wrote here something. This one. Just cancel this now here. Cancel this. Alternatively, they ask this sum in proportion also. Okay, but writing it here will be again confusion. Okay, but it is true. And we will see this in today's lecture that it is correct. Okay, cancel this out. Have you done? Have you cancelled this? A, B, C, continued ratio, that B square is equals to AC, that you have to cancel. Done? Please, can I have the silence in the class? Can I have silence? When it is called proportion, when the things is called proportion, when the ratios are equal, we say they are in proportion. First point. Equality of ratio. Equality of two ratio. Equality of two ratio is called proportion. Equality of two ratio is called proportion. Hey, no, dear. I feel very sad. India is now into developed country. Sufficient energy we have. Don't switch off lights. Sad feelings I get in darkness. I did not say that. Equality of two ratio is called proportion. Okay. A comma B comma C and G are in proportion. Are in proportion. Then A by B is equal to C by D. Or I can say AD is equals to BC. AD is equals to BC. Those who are talking now, those who are talking, for them, you will never come to know when the chapter got completed. Please concentrate. Very easy. If A, B, C, D are in proportion, then A by B is equals to C by D. If I cross multiply, AD is equals to what? BC. Understood? BC. A and D is called extremes. What it is called? Extremes. B and C is called means. Is called not memes, means. Only what people remember is meme. Done. A and D are called what? Extreme. B and C are called what? Means. Right now? This is what? Product of is equals to product of means. Write this. Or make an arrow and write. Product of extremes is equals to product of means. Share. Oh. Who is playing video game? Someone is firing. Hi. Product of extreme is equals to product of means. What sound it is? Speaker? No. Not from speaker, outside, na? Someone is absent here? Listen. Done? Second point. Continuous proportion. Continuous. Third point. Second point. Continuous proportion. A by B is equals to B by C is equals to C by D. Something like this. Okay. Next will be D by E. Okay, now in that, what is there to laugh? Third point. If, listen, if A by B is equals to B by C, A by B is equals to B by C, they are in what? Which proportion? Continuous or continued proportion. Continuous or continued proportion, one and the same. Then A is equals to first proportional. What? First proportional. B is equals to second proportional. C is equals to third proportional. Copy. अरे यार मनुष्य बड़ा विचित्र प्राणी है. Done. Now we can write that what? B square is equals to AC. Now we can write that. Therefore B is equals to what? Under root AC. Whenever we take square root na, that means what? We are calculating geometric mean. What we are calculating? Geometric mean. Understood? B is mean proportional. B is what? Mean proportional between A and C. Between A and C. Wow. A and C. Let us write it nicely. A and C. Full stop. Done. If it is A, B, C, D, A is first proportional, B is, C is, D is. Do you want we have to write? Simple. Right, heading. Everyone, are you with me? Great. Right, properties. Right, properties. Shh. Girls, please concentrate. Second last bench. Please. If there is something wrong, please go to Don't pollute the atmosphere. I'm extremely sorry to say this. If A by B is equals to C by D, then boys, what is happening? Please concentrate, very important chapter. A by B is equals to C by D, then first one, B by A is equals to D by C. This is what? Invertendo. This is what? Invertendo. Means if something is in proportion, we take the inverse. It is called invertendo. Understood? Second one, keeping that first thing constant, A by B is equals to C by D. If that is the ratio, A by B is equals to C by D. If you invert it, B by A is equals to D by C, then it is called invertendo. If I change it like this now, A by C is equals to B by D. Can you see what I did? No, not cross multiplication. A is there itself where it was. D also there itself where it was. Only I changed what? C and B. It is called alternando. What it is called? Alternando. Alternando. Sir, can it be done like this also? D by B is equals to C by A. No. You understood? You can't change the place here. You have to always change the place of this. Okay. Is this clear? There can be doubt now. Sir, now to you change the place of this. Can we change the place like this? No. Not possible. Understood? Alternando. What it is? Alternando. Easy now. If I do it like this, A plus B, B is the denominator. I added it to the numerator. Keeping denominator as it is, this will be is equals to C plus D upon D. Have you observed? This was the original ratio. A upon B is equals to C by D. What I did? I added the denominator on both the side. Correct? Are you understanding? Correct na? Any doubt? Clear? This is called componendo. Componendo. Easy. If I, easy na? Is this clear? If the ratio is something like this, just an example. If the ratio is like this, 5 by 4 is equals to 20 by 16. Are they proportional? Yes. They are proportional. I have not taken random number. 5 4s are 20, 4 4s are 16. They are proportional. So how I will apply componendo? 5 plus 4 upon 4 is equals to 20 plus 16 upon 16. Let us check. 9 by 4 is equals to 36 by 16. Check. 4 4s are 4, 9s are. Still they are what? In proportion. Yes or no? If I cancel it out. So we can add this denominator here. We can add this denominator here. Yes. That property is called what? Componendo. Can I minus? Yes, you can minus. Can I minus? Yes. So tell me, if I minus, what will be the formula? A minus B upon B is equals to C minus D upon D. It is called dividendo. What it is called? Dividendo. Easy? Last benches, don't sleep. All who are laughing now, I am talking to you only. E. Listen. See what I am doing. A plus B upon A minus B. In numerator and denominator add above. Okay, in denominator A minus B is equals to C plus D upon C minus D. I have applied what? Componendo dividendo. What? Componendo dividendo. Copy. Componendo dividendo. Easy na? Yes or no? Then say na yes. They will ask you straightforward question, remember. Done? Next. If it is A by B is equals to C by D, this is also equals to, listen carefully, A plus C upon B plus D. What is this? Addendo. What it is? Addendo. Numerator plus denominator plus, again it will be what? In proportion. This is called addendo. Special talented people we have in the class. No, you are not. Where I said? Yeah, easy na? You are understanding what I am doing. These are properties. A by B is equals to C by D. Can I do it like this? A minus C upon B minus D. This is what? Subtrahendo. Subtrahendo. Because we subtracted na. So subtrahendo. If you add, addendo. Understood? Not addendo, addendo. Huh? BTRA. BTRA. Subtrahendo. H is there. Subtrahendo. Hen, you know, H-E-N, hen. Cock. Done? Okay. If they ask you mean proportion, what they ask you? Mean proportion, okay, of A and B, that is nothing but root of A into B. If they ask you mean proportion, direct question, mean proportion, then it is what? Under root AB. Understood? Clear? If they ask you, are you with me? Am I going fast? Sure? Wow. If they ask third proportion, what? Third proportion, then the formula is B square, means C I don't know, na? What I don't know? C. A, B, C. I don't know the C. I have to calculate C. I know what? B and A. So how you will calculate C? B square upon A. B square upon A. Straightforward. Okay? After I, J. Fourth proportion, okay, A, B, C, D are there. A, B, C, D are there. This time what we are trying to find? D. So it is BC upon A. It is BC upon A. Understood? Okay? Simple. Fine. Let's jump into the exercise. I'll come back to this example later. One example we need to do. Yes. Shh, 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 shh. Come on. The early we complete this, the early we will go. Okay. Deal, deal. Deal between you and me. Fine. Okay. You people continue talking. Till 6 you talk. I have no problem. We'll sit till 8. Listen. Fourth proportional. See. This is A. This is B. This is C. Fourth proportional. What was the formula? BC upon A. So 6 into 8 divided by 4. Answer is what? Wow, you people are genius. Have you understood? Are you understanding? Please don't talk. Please be silent. First one. Next. Third proportional. What is the formula? B square by A. So 18 multiplied by 18 square na upon A is 12. 27. Wow. What a genius batch. I never thought I'll get such a genius batch in my life. Mean proportional between 25 and A. Am I going fast? No, wow. Mean proportional between 25 and 81. How you calculate? 25 into 81 is equals to square root. Correct na? Multiply and then calculate what? Square root. 1 minute. See here. Those are not understanding. Mean proportion. A into B and then what? Square root. A into B and then what? Square root. Okay, so 25 into 81 is equals to and then square root. Answer is what? 45. Easy? Understood now? Hello, 1 minute. Mean proportional means what? Mean proportional means 25 and 81 are two extreme numbers. In between what is there? In between the number what is there? Mean proportional la? Those who have started working now, please concentrate. Later you get a doubt. Okay, 25, 18 and 80, 81 is what? Extreme numbers. In between I want what? One number, that is 25 into 18 and then what? Square root. Easy? The number which has the same ratio 26 to 6 has to 13 2. Means what they are saying? The number which has the same ratio to 26. Same ratio to 26 means? Same ratio to 26 means what? Huh? See, listen, the number has the same ratio to 26. Means there is a number which has a ratio with 26 that has to be 6 to 13. Are you understanding? Concentrate. English. A number has the same ratio to 26. A number has the same ratio to 26 which has that 6 to 13 has. Means the ratio needs to be same. So answer is what? 26 will go that side. So x is equals to 6 into 26 upon 13. 13 ones are 13 twos are 6 twos are 12. Answer is where? Please check the answer back. When they say none, I get afraid. None of this. Wow. Okay. Completed? No? Fourth proportional. Listen carefully. I have already given this. Fourth proportional, how we find? BC upon A. Fourth proportional, 2A. Correct. This is A, this is B, this is C. So BC means what? A square into C upon 2A. So answer is what? You understand now? This A and this 1A will get cancelled. So AC upon 2. AC is there. A. Check the answer. Easy na? Simple. Are you understanding? Very simple. Dear. Done? Simple. Shall we proceed? Have you copied? Any doubt? Pakka? Chalo, next. The four numbers 1 by 2, 1 by 3 and 1 by 5 and 1 by x are in proportion. Then, what they are asking? Then, what is x? How we will solve this? Yes, listen carefully. 1 by 3 divided by 1 by 2 is equals to 1 by 5 divided by 1 by x. No? Yesterday only we did this. Those who are feeling that difficulty, how to solve, you should write it like this. Hardly it will take time. 1 by 3, can I write it into 2 by 3? 2 by 1. Correct, no? Multiplicative inverse. Same way here. 1 by 5 into x. Correct? 2 ones are 2. Upon 3 ones are 3. Is equals to 1 by 5 into x or x by 5. So answer is what? X is equals to? I made any mistake? Oh, sorry. People are not saying also. They are checking. Let him make mistake, we will enjoy. 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 3. 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 3. Please check. And 1 by 5 divided by 1 by x. So 1 by 2 into 3 by 1. Is it clear? Are understood now? If 1 by 2 and 1 by 3 is in proportion, means ratio, I can write it in division form now. Yes or no? So here 3 by 2, okay, is equals to x by 5. 5 3s are 15. 15 by 2 is equals to x. Which is the option? C. Wow. Copy. Done? No? Are you understanding? Easy na? This is one more bonus chapter of what we have in maths. Okay? Very easy, ratio proportion. Certain sums are there where you will have to remember because tricky questions. Understood? Otherwise everything is easy. If you go through this thing, scanner na, the paper is very easy. Okay? Copied na? Should I erase? Listen. Next. Mean proportional between. Mean proportional means what we have to do? Multiply and root. Multiply and root. 12 into 27. How much? 324. Square root of 324 is how much? 18. So 18xy. Any problem with this? Everybody is clear what I am doing? Simple na? 12x square into 27y square. Correct? Don't write it like this. 12 sevens are 324. X square into y square is x raised to 4, y raised to 4. Is it possible? These all mistakes we see in the class. Is it possible? So it is x square, y square. When you take the root, answer is what? 18xy. Always, one more thing. Listen. A is equals to B by 2 and C by 5. Correct? So how I will solve this? Can I say A is equals to B by 2 na? So can I say B is equals to twice A? A is equals to C by 5. Can I say C is equals to 5A? Understood? What they are asking? They are asking ratio of A is to B is to C. So A is to B is to C. A is how much? A. Correct. B is how much? 2a. C is how much? 5a. A cancel, A cancel, A cancel. Answer is what? 1 is to 2 is to 5. Actually, no need to calculate, boss. Here, whatever is the denominator now, A by 1, B by 2, C by 5, 1 is to 2 is to 5 is the answer. Have you understood? Here, what is given? This, if I write now, A by 1, let me write it nicely. First, you copy this. Please copy. Copy this answer. This is the way to solve. Okay. This is the way to solve. But you should know the shortcut directly to mark the answer. Completed? Done? So what we understood here, listen. What is the ratio given? Please tell me what is the ratio given. This is question number which? 18. A, oh, okay, no problem. We have got eraser. A is to B by 2 is to C by 5. Always remember, in case of A, now what you have to substitute? Denominator is what? 1. So A is to B is to C is what? 1 is to 2 is to 5. Many questions can be solved if you know this. Is that clear? Okay, simple na? Yes or no? Chalo, next. I'm solving it here. Listen. What is given? If, ninth question, A by 3 is equals to B by 4 is equals to C by 7. Now what I know? Value of A is how much? B's value is how much? C's value is how much? What they are asking? A plus B plus C upon what? C. 3 plus 4 plus 7 upon what? 7. 14 by 7. Answer is what? Option? Again, she. Wow. Easy, na? If we have to solve this, then we will have to solve by K method. Which method? K method. K method is again same. Okay. Answer you will get the same. Do you want me to solve? Do you want me to show? Okay. She's saying yes. No problem. No problem. We should learn everything. There will be no shortcut in CA final. I'm telling you. There's no shortcuts in CA final. You can get through in foundation. You have to learn everything. 1 minute. Don't take me wrong, but I'm telling for your betterment. We should learn everything. Whatever we get now, we should learn it. See, A by 3 is equals to what they said? B by 4 is equals to what they said? C by 7 is equals to what? K. So that means A is equals to 3K, B is equals to 4K, C is equals to 7K. Now just substitute A plus B plus C. So 3K plus 4K plus 7K upon 7K. Right now? So this is what? 14K cube. No? 14K? When it gets multiplied na, the variable, the power will increase. Correct na? I hope these basics are clear. Understood? See, many people might be knowing this, but I have to go to that level now where the student stands. There may be some people who are not understanding this and they will write 14K cube. Is it possible? This is what? 14K. When it gets multiplied, if it is like this now, 3K into 4K into 7K, then it will be K cube. Okay? So, 3 plus 4 plus 7, 14K upon 7K. So, answer is what? KK gets cancelled. Answer is 2. Same. Understood? Easy? It doesn't matter when you last time did your maths. Many people think, arey, 11th standard, 12th standard, I have not done maths. It doesn't matter. Believe me. Here you have to practice this. Understood, guys? And practice thoroughly. Give your 100%. Don't have that fear that, see, all that difficult things are what we used to teach at 2013-14 or everything has been removed. Okay, only easy maths is there, and to support this, one of the best subject is LR. If you, what we discussed yesterday, you saw the story. I was trying to tag everyone, but only 3 to 4 I could tag in story. Initial, it was showing something error. I don't know why. You saw that boy, what he said, the second ranker. You read that. What he said? I never thought that. What happened, Vigneshwar? I never thought that I can achieve a rank, because he said I never, means in school also, in school life I never got a rank. That is what I discussed. Here it doesn't matter whether you are ranker in your school or not. If you're ranker, it is good. I'm not saying that ranker will not get a rank. Don't feel like that. That rankers will feel, arey yaar, I was topper in my school. What sir is saying? I'm not saying that. I'm saying that average student also has a, means same power na potential that he can get a rank here. Understood? But for that, believe in yourself. Chalo, next. Which question? 10th. See what they have given. 10th question. I am solving it here. P by Q is equals to R by S is equals to 2.5 by 1.5. How we will solve this? P by S na, what I want? Yesterday we have done this. PS upon what I want? QR. So it is P by Q into S by R. Correct now? P by Q, is it available? Yes, 2.5 by 1.5. Is R by S available? So R by S is available. What I want? S by R. So what I'll have to do? Have we done this? Yesterday. See, here it is given, and here I want reciprocal. So 1.5 by 2.5. So answer is what? Simple. Clear, no? Unnecessarily means you're stressing out. It's so simple. Arey yaar. Completed? Okay. Copy. Absent. Tea. Chai. Anyone here? Tea. Should I order? If you want, I will. Coffee. Only tea, coffee. Only two options. Today I need to take a round, because yesterday on my WhatsApp I got something. I was shocked after looking at that. Next. 11th question. X by Y, X is to Y is equals to Z by W is equals to 2.5 upon what? 1.5. What is the value of X? 2.5. What is the value of Y? What is the value of Z? What is the value of W? Can you calculate X plus Z upon Y plus W? Yes or no? 2.5 plus 2.5 upon 1.5 plus 1.5. 5 by 3. Option C. She is favorite. Easy. Have you understood? अय्यो करूं मैं क्या सुकु I don't have market value only. Shit. I don't have market value means I'm precious. No market value. No tag. So the next 12th. 5x. Completed na? Yes, sir. Copy. Please. Those are copying. What happened? He's so happy, he's so happy. He enjoys my class. 5x minus 3y upon 5y minus 3x is equals to 3 by 4. Now 1 minute. If you want now, cross multiply. Not required. Let's solve by cross multiply. What they are asking? X by y. What they are asking? X is to y means x by y. So if I cross multiply, 4 into 5x minus 3y is equals to 3 into 5y minus 3x. Correct no? 4 5s are 20. 4 3s are 12. I hope this is clear. Minus into plus is minus. Correct. Minus 12y. 3 5s are 15y. 3 into minus 3 minus 9x. I will take x on one side. What I will take? X on one side. So if this 9 goes this side, it will become plus 20 plus 9, 29x. 12 will go that side. 15 plus 12. Are everybody clear na? Easy na? Plus minus no problem na? Anyone? Correct na? Easy na? Do you have any doubt? So here x by y is equals to 27 by 29. Option? None of this. 29 by 27 is the answer. So like this happens. When we do more maths, it happens. Go slow. Check. It happens. When your mind gets frustrated, na, it happens. Correct, na? 29 will come here, y will come here, 27 will live in the numerator upon 29, na? Happens, no problem. Side effects of more class. No problem, it happens. Whenever like this happens, take a rest, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Again start. Now we can't take, that is a different issue. Otherwise you will go at 8. Please copy. The more you relaxed in the exam, the better you will perform. What I am saying? The more you relaxed in the exam, the better you will perform. The more you are in a haste, frustrated, the paper will be very bad. Go slow, relax, don't worry. Done? Easy? Now no need. Listen. 1 minute. Shh. 1 minute. Actually, no need to solve all these things. Okay. Why? Because first option is what? 2 is to 9. That means x is how much? 2. Y is how much? Substitute here. 5 2s are 10. 10 minus 3 9s are? Numerator is how much? Is it there in the option? Correct now? That means A is not the answer. Correct. Go for the B. Means minus 17. Here I want 3 now. Here I want 3 now. So I'm not getting, I'm getting 17. So that is not the option. Check the next one. 5 7 option is 7 is to 2. 5 7s are 35 minus 3 2s are, answer is how much? 29. Is it there here numerator? No. Correct na? So this option is also not there. C option is what? 7 is to 9. 7 5s are 9 3s are, difference is 8. Here I did not go further. Why? Because it was a prime number. Correct. Here also I did not go. Correct na? But let me check here what I am getting in the denominator. 5y. 5y means 5 into 9. How much? 45. Minus 3 into 7. How much? 3 into 7? 21. 21 amma, what you are doing? 21. 3 7s are 21. Sorry. Don't feel bad. 45 minus 21, how much? 24. Check. 8 by 24. 8 1s are 8. 3s are na. So 1 is to 3. What I want? 3 by 4. So C is also not the answer. Therefore, answer is what? None of this, D. You understood what I did? Why I did not do here denominator? Because 17 is prime number, no? 29 is prime number. So no need to go further, denominator. But in third one I got 8. So there is chance that 2 3s are 8. Something like that, correct? You can choose option always. Understood now what I did? Everyone understood, boys, what I have done? Or else simple cross multiply this part. Next. A by B is equals to 3 by 2. B by C is equals to 3 by 5. Have we done this? Yesterday. A is to B is to C. You remember? This is 3 is to 2. Therefore, I gave you that. You remember? Yesterday we did now. I gave you that B square is equals to AC. Therefore, I gave. See this somewhere it has come in proportion. Correct? So, 3 is to 2. Correct now? And B is to C is how much? 3 is to 5. So, what I should write here? What I should write here? 3. Why I wrote here 2? Same number here. Why I wrote here 3? Same here. Correct? Now, what I will do? Multiply. 3 3s are? 3 2s are? 5 2s are? Is it there in the option? Option is what? So simple. Joint ratio. Easy. 14th question. Shall I proceed? X by 2 is equals to Y by 3 is equals to Z by 7. What is the value of X? 2. Y? 3. Z? 7. They are asking us value for 2x minus 5y plus 4z upon 2y. 2 into x is how much? 2 2s are 4. 5 3s are 15. 4 into z. 4 into 7 how much? 28 upon 2 into y. 2 into 3 how much? 6. 4 minus 15 is how much? Minus 11. 28 minus 11? 17 by 6. Option. Check the option answer. D. Easy, no? Do you want me to explain this? Tomorrow morning my class, na? Yes, sir. Happy. Ah? Done? What happened? Did not understand? She was asking, that girl, in between, checks. Chalo, next. 15th question I'm not solving. 15th is easy, okay? Let's go to, 15th is homework. 16th is also easy. Division of what? 750 into 3 parts. What should be the ratio? 4 is to 5 is to 6. 750 into 4. What should be the denominator? 15. Why 15? 4 plus 5 plus 6. Someone had a doubt here yesterday. 4 plus 5 plus 6. Answer is what? 15. Check 750 into 4 by 15. How much? 200. Is it there in the option? Yes. Option is what? A. No need to solve B. Next part, no? Understood, no? Understood? Arey, simple. 17th sum. Yes, anyone, can you tell me how to solve 17th one? The sum of the ages of the three person is 150. Sum of the age is how much? 150. 10 years ago, their age was in the ratio 7 is to 8 is to 9. Correct? How we will solve? Plus 10. Minus 10, no? What minus 10 in the answer? Correct? 1 minute. If I have to solve this, see, listen. In case, with options, how I will solve, listen carefully. They are saying that the sum of the age is 150. First thing, you should check, add 45 plus 50 plus 55. Answer is how much? 150. Correct. Option A is satisfying 150. Correct. First thing, this is what you should do. B, 40 plus 60 plus 50, 150. 35 plus 45 plus 70, 150. Sheh, bad luck. Understood? First you should check this, whether the total is 150. Whichever satisfies, if only one answer satisfies, that is the answer. Yes or no? But here, 1 minute. What they are saying, 10 years ago, the ratio is what? 7 is to 8 is to 9. So if their present age is 45, 50 and 55, 10 years ago, their age will be minus 10, minus 10, minus 10. Answer is how much? 35, 40, 45. 5 7s are 35, 5 8s are 40, 5 9s are satisfied. 7 is to 8 is to 9. So option is what? A. You understood how to solve? 1 minute, those who have not understood. This is my present age. Your age today is 17. Understood? 10 years ago, how much your age was? Why 7? 17 minus 10. Same way, this is their present age. Minus 10, what I will get? 10 years ago age. This also 10 years, the age before 10 years. This also the age before 10 years from today. Correct? And I will check the ratio. Ratio is what? 7 is to 8 is to 9. Satisfying. So option is what? A. Clear? Understood? If I have to solve, how I will solve this? One minute. Do you want me to solve? Done na, easy na. How to check with the option, that is you are understood, you have understood, right? Sir, what if some people ask, sir, what if the D is the answer? How we will come to know? That A, B, C you will have to do na. Means here though you are getting all in the first attempt. If it is D is the right answer, then till D you should go na. Yes or no? Listen, 10 years ago, their ratio of their age is 7 is to 8 is to. That means, can I say 10 years ago, age was 7K, 8K, 9K, agree? Present age, what I should do? Plus 10, plus 10, plus 10. Present age total is how much? So 7K plus 10 plus 8K plus 10 plus 9K plus 10. This total should be, so 7 plus 8 plus 9, how much? 24K plus 30, 10 plus 10 plus 10. Are you understanding this? 10 plus 10 plus 10, how much? 30 is equals to how much? 150. 150 minus 30 is equals to how much? 120. K is equals to how much? 5. K is 5. 7 5s are 35. That is not the answer. Plus 10 na. 7 5s are 35 is which age? 10 years ago. 7 into 5, 35 is 10 years ago. What they are asking in the question? Present age. So plus 10 na. 35 plus 10. Have you understood? Easy. So this also, if you want, you can try. Okay. 7K, 8K, 9K. This is 35. This is 8 5s are 40. This is 45. Present age. In all this, you have to add what? Plus 10. In all this, you have to add plus 10. So present age is 45, 50, and 55. Wow, what a sum. Easy. Directly from the options only you can solve. Okay. Done. Shall we proceed? Next, which question? 18th. 18th na? Ha. 14. Acha, they are saying 14, 16 and 35 are not in proportion. Correct? So, are not in proportion. The fourth term for which they will be in proportion means what we have to find? Fourth term now, what we have to find? Fourth term. For fourth term, what is the formula? BC by, no need to write also. BC means this multiplication of this. Come on. 16 into 35. Divide by 14. Answer is how much? 40. Understood? If you want for revision, you can write 16 into 35 divided by what? 14. Answer is what? 40. Because fourth proportional D is equals to BC upon A. Wow. I'm genius. Okay, completed. Chalo, next. X by y is equals to z by w implies y by x, w by z. What they have done? Invertendo. Where is invertendo? None of this. They inverted, na? X by y became what? Y by x. Z by w became what? W by z. So it is what? Invertendo. None of this. Correct. Here you can write invertendo. Invertendo. Easy. Next, see, P by Q is equals to R by S. P minus R upon Q minus S. Which property? Subtrahendo. Subtrahendo. Wow. Easy. Shall I go fast? A by B is equals to C by D. A plus B upon A minus B is equals to C plus D upon C minus D. This process is called what? Componendo and dividendo. Option C. Wow. Easy? Okay. Next. U by V is equals to W by P. U minus V upon U plus V. W minus P upon W plus D. None of this. Answer is what? None of this. Okay. Answer is none of this. What happened? Acha, previous question I have marked. Okay, no problem. You people are smart. I know that. Please understand the feelings. Okay. Done. Next. 12 into 16. Asterisk mark you have to find. What you will do? Third proportional. Third proportional, how you find? B square by AC is for continuous proportion. Understood? Here what you will do? Listen. 1 minute. A into D is equals to B into C. What is A? 12. D is how much? 20. B is how much? 16. What I need to find? C. 4 proportionals now. They have not said that it is in continuous proportion. Correct? So 12 into 20 upon what? 16. C is how much? 15. Option is C. One more time. Wow. Fourth proportional. 4, 9, 13.5. So A is what? 4 into, don't take fraction and all. 13.5 means 13.5 is equals to B into C. B into 9. So 4 into 13.5 divided by 9. Answer is what? 6. Option is A. Option is A. Are you understanding this? A into D is equals to B into C. Correct now? So this first number is what? A. Second asterisk is what? B. Third number is what? C. Fourth is what? D. Simple. Understood? A multiplied by D is equals to B multiplied by C. Simple now? Yes or no? Are you understanding? Next. Mean proportional. How we will find mean proportional? 1.4 multiplied by 5.6 and then root. I need to find B. B is equals to root of what? AC. So square root of 1.4 into 5.6 mean proportional. 2.8 is the answer. 2.8 B. Next, please give me the answer. Answer is what? Value of A is how much? Value of B is how much? Value of C is how much? 4 plus 5 plus 9. How much? 18 upon what? 9. 18 by 9 is 2. Do you want me to write this? Understood now? A value is how much? 4. I will substitute here. B value is how much? 5. I will substitute here. C value is how much? 9. I will substitute here. 4 plus 5 plus 9 divided by what? 9. These all sums will help us to pass. Understood? This chapter. Two numbers are in the ratio 3:4. If 6 is added to each number, what the numbers will be? If two numbers are in the ratio 3:4, that means numbers are what? 3K, 4K. Numbers will be what? 3K, 4K. Correct now? The ratio is 3:4. That means numbers are what? 3K, 4K. If 6 is added to each term, plus 6, plus 6. Okay. Added to each, the ratio, the new ratio is how much? 3K plus 6 upon 4K plus 6. New ratio is how much? 4 by 5. Right? Cross multiply. Get the answer. 89, 24. 89, 24 they are saying. Do you want me to solve this? Sure, boys. Do you want me to solve? No, no. Sure, if you want, I can. 5 into 3K plus 6. Cross multiply. 4 into 4K plus 6. This will get multiplied. 5 is common to both. 5 3 is a 15K. 6 5 is a 30. Correct? 4 into 4K is 16K. 4 is common to 6 also. 4 multiplied by 6 is 24. Correct? So if I take this k here, 16 minus 15 is k. If I take this 24 here, answer is what? 6. Value of k is how much? 6. What they want? Numbers. 3 into 6, 18. 3 into 6, 18. 4 into 6, 24. 18 and 24. You can go with the options also, na? You can go with the options also. If numbers are what? See, two numbers are in the ratio 3:4. Check here. Is this 3:4? Check. 2 sevens are, 2 tens are, 7:10. So this is not the answer. Correct? Check here. Simple. Can you get 3:4? No. Can you get here 6 threes are, 6 fours are? Yes. C is what? Answers. The most easiest way. Correct? To go with the option. Right now, no need to solve also. Are you understand what I am saying? Am I going fast? Boys. Easy. Next. See here. 1 minute. Hello. A by 4 is equals to B by 5. Okay, if I apply component of dividendo, then it is A plus 4 upon A minus 4. Correct. Then here it should be B plus 5 upon B minus 5. No? So is this correct? No. Right hand side is wrong. Everyone clear? If I apply component of dividendo, A plus 4 is correct. A minus 4 is correct. B plus 5 is correct. B minus 5 is correct. Everything correct. So B. Let's go to C. There is nothing called as dividendo componendo. There is nothing called as dividendo compo. There is only componendo dividendo. Numerator should be plus. Denominator should be minus. So this is also not the answer. Somewhere in the scanner I remember they have given this dividendo componendo. So why it is given? Don't think that sir has not taught us. It is not there only. Why unnecessarily getting confused? Should get confused, no? There is nothing called as dividendo componendo. There is only componendo dividendo. They have stated the name, but that name does not exist in maths. Okay. A by B is equals to 4:1. So value of A is how much? So I will substitute A by 4, B by 1 plus under root 1 by 4. Are you understanding? A by B is equals to how much? 4:1. A's value is how much? 4. B's value is how much? 1. Just substitute. 4 by 1 square root is? 4 by 1 square root is? 4 by 1 is 4. Square root of 4 is 2. Plus 1 square root is 1. 4 square root is 2. 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means 2.5. 2.5 is nothing but 5 by 2. So answer is what? A. Simple, na? Copy. Have you understood or you want me to explain one more time? अरे यार I made a wrong commitment today. But I don't remember. After half an hour, I don't remember what I said. Therefore, I call you genius. See, you people completed half an hour, 45 minutes early. Ah, 4:15 we started. Okay, listen. X upon B plus C minus A, right? y is equals to c plus a minus b, z is equals to a plus b minus c. Whenever this cyclical, hello, 1 minute, we know that x is equals to, can I say x is nothing but x is equals to b plus c minus a, right? Understood? In this sum I can solve also this. If I solve, it will be a very lengthy sum. Ultimately the answer will be 0. Ultimately the answer will be 0. Let me show it to you. Now people want to run from here. Don't show us anything. Listen. X upon b plus c minus a. Oh hero. Y upon c plus a minus b is equals to z upon a plus b minus c. This is equals to k. This is equals to, so can I say x is equals to k into b plus c minus a. Same way y is equals to k into c plus a minus b. Same way z is equals to k into a plus b minus c. Now check what they are asking. B minus c. What they are asking? B minus c into x plus c minus a into y plus a minus b into z. Understood? So what I can do is, here now I can substitute. What I can do? I can substitute. Correct now? What I will substitute? X I can substitute. Correct? So b minus c into k multiplied by this, x will be substituted by this b plus c minus a plus c minus a into k multiplied by c plus a minus b. Same way I can write a minus b is equals to k k into a plus b minus c. Correct now? Next step should be, I will take k common. What I will take? K common. So inside what I will get? B minus c into b plus c minus a plus c minus a into c plus a minus b plus a minus b into a plus b minus c. Understood? So is equals to k into, I will open the bracket, b into b, b square plus bc minus ab. B will get multiplied with each of them, correct? Same way, minus bc plus minus c square plus ac plus c into c square, correct? Plus ac minus bc minus ac, correct? Minus a square, I am multiplying this with this, minus a square, again plus ab, because minus a into plus b is what? Plus ab. Now this a will get multiplied, plus a square plus ab minus ac minus ab minus b square plus bc, bracket close. 1 minute. B square plus b square minus gone. bc plus bc minus gone. bc minus bc plus gone. c square minus c square plus gone. Minus ab plus ab gone. ac plus ac minus gone. Bapre. ac plus ac minus gone. A square gone. ab gone. Everything gone. What is left? What is left? 0. Isn't it 1? No, sir. People will think, array, everything cancelled na. So 1. 1 is not the answer. Answer is what? 0. K into 0, 0. Understood? In proportion, whenever the denominator is cyclical. Whenever the denominator is cyclical. Cyclical means what? B plus C minus A. C plus A minus B. A plus B minus C. This is what? Cyclical. This is what? Cyclical. Can you see? See now here. C minus A. Here it is becoming C plus A and then minus B. Here it is A minus B. Here it is becoming A plus B minus See, if it is cyclical in proportion, denominator is cyclical, 99.99% answer is 0. Do you think you will be able to solve this in the exam? Clear? Copy. Okay, so next part is logarithm. Sorry, indices. Your coordinator said that students are interested to take class till 6 o'clock, 6:15. So we have extended the class. Who said? Okay. Clear? Done na? We'll take 5 minutes extra. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. I am leaving you half an hour early, so 5 minutes for me. Okay, please, please. You people are so genius. Listen. Write the heading. Just write the formulas. I am not explaining. 5 minutes. Indices. Ha, example 1 sum is there. Oh, yes. Good, good. Thank you. Example 1 sum is there. Come to example. Ha, this one, this one. This all we have done. This all is okay. This one, see. A dealer mixes tea costing 6.92 per kg. How much? 6.92 per kg with tea costing 7.77 per kg. Are example 3, page number 1.11. 100% attention. Listen. Listen how they have done. Listen how they have done. There are 2 types of tea. There are one tea cost is 6.92. Another tea costing is how much? Now he is mixing it. Mix means you understood. And sells the mixture. After selling, he sells the mixture at 8.80. And on the mixture, he earns 17.5% profit on his sale price. In what proportion does he mix them? In what proportion does he mix them? So let us first find the cost price of the mixture. Correct na? If you know the cost price of the mixture, then only you will be able to, means because you know the profit and all, then only you will be able to get the proportion. How? Find the cost price of the mixture. If selling price is 100, profit is 7.5, 17.5. So my cost is how much? 82.5. Right now? 100 is my selling price. This profit is on what? Selling price. Profit is on? So 100 into 17.5%. How much? 17.5. From selling price, if I minus the profit, what I will get? So 100 into 17.5 I will minus. So I will get cost price. How much? 82.5. Correct. That is 165 by 2. This is cost. This is what? Cost. Selling price of the mixture was how much? 8.8. Selling price, cost price. Correct. Here if you see, when the selling price is 100, cost price is how much? 165 by 2. Cross multiplication, unitary method. Right now, when selling price is 100, or take decimal now, why to do all this thing? We have calculator. 165 by 2 is how much? 82.5. When the selling price is 8.80, at that time what is the cost price? You understood what to do? Check. How much it is? 7.26. Now understand, very simple. 7.26. This is cost of the mixture. This is cost of the. But if you check first mixture, first tea, the cost was how much? Another tea cost was how much? We will take the difference. 7.26 minus 6.92. How much? 0.34. 34 paise. Second one is 7.77 minus 7.26. How much? 0.51. Correct now? If you have to mix the two coins in such a ratio that the amount of profit in first case must be the balance amount of loss. This is profit, I think. Correct? Or loss? The cost of the mixture is 7.26, but cost of the first one is 6.2392. So it's profit or loss? Profit. But if you check here, the cost of the mixture is 7.26, but the cost of the another it is how much? So this is what? Overall he is making a profit now. Or correct now or wrong? Both are not profit. How come? 1 minute. Actually now here. Let me check. T costing is how much? Acha 7.77. Right. 7.77 minus 7.26. This is loss actually. This is what? Loss. I said ulta. I said wrong. This is loss. See, the cost is how much? 6.92. Correct? Right? And the mixture's cost is how much? 7.26. Correct now? So this is my loss and this is what? Profit. Why profit? Because 7.77 now, the cost of the mixture is 7.26 and cost of the second tea is how much? 7.77. So how I will take the ratio? Because overall now, this is profit. Overall I am having profit. So profit should come first and next the loss. So it is, tomorrow I will teach you one shortcut. 51:34. This is the way to get. Check here. 3:2 is the required ratio. Okay. Understood? So what we did? 1 minute. Only the last part was confusing. Till here everything was okay. 1 minute. My cost of the mixture is how much? 82.5. When the selling price is 100, my cost is how much? 82.5. If my selling price is 8.8, my cost price is how much? 7.26. This is A, this is B. The cost price of first one is how much? 6.92. The cost of second is how much? 7.77. When I mix this, logically also you can understand. When I mix this, the mixture's cost is how much? 7.26. Mixture's cost is? If you see, 1 minute, see, observe carefully. The cost of the first one is how much? 6.92. But cost of the, after mixing now, it is more. So I will have loss in this. I will have loss now. Because cost of the first one is 6.92 and cost of the mixture is more. So I will have loss. Same way here, the cost of the B is 7.7. But cost of the mixture is less. So I will have what? Profit. But overall I am having a profit. So I will take profit is to loss. So that is 51:34. Correct? Understood? This will be the mixture. So my mixture is 3:2. Understood? We will do tomorrow the sums which is based on mixtures 2 to 3. Okay? If you want, you can copy this. They have not given it clearly. So you can copy this. Done. Tomorrow. What time? No, tomorrow. Tomorrow. 8:30. Bye. Thank you.